Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Printful to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Apps. After once done, click on All Recommended Apps. Scroll all the way down, click on Shopify App Store, and then just wait for it to load. Once it loads, all you got to do is just use the search bar and just type down Printful. Hit on enter, or you can just go ahead and click on the drop down right here. All right, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and click on install. Okay, we would need Printful Print on Demand. Install it, and the next page, just click on install. Wait for the process to finish, and after that, it will ask you to sign up or sign in if you do have a Printful account. Now, as you can see here, there'll be a pop-up. Hey, do you have a Printful account? Yes, sign in, or no, create an account. Agree right here, hit on continue, and then just wait for it to load. And then once done, scroll down and just follow the basic prompts right here, such as connecting your store. It will be automatic. Okay, you'll have to publish your products to the store right here. Just click on start, and once done, go back to Printful, start or set up the billing, and then add in some order samples. Okay? Or if you want, you can go ahead and skip it. Just click on add products right here, and you'll be able to see some samples. Or you can go ahead and click on 3 dots and just manage the app. All right. Scroll down. You can uninstall it right here. You can open the app right here once more at the very top. And when you go ahead and scroll down, there'll be some product suggestions as well. And you can start your free trial. All right, so that is how you connect Printful to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.